Hi guys, this is Punit here, and in this video I am going to talk about privacy statement, privacy notice and the privacy policy. Lot of people confuse this. Privacy statement is a customer or employee or data subject facing document. That is, it talks to the person whose data is being processed. It talks about what data is being processed, why does the company need it, what it does with it, who it gets shared with, and if they have questions about rights, what do they have to do, and still if they have a question or a complaint, what is it they need to do, that is contact you or click a form or whatever. So privacy statement is a customer facing document. Of course it is applicable for employees and others, but generally the customer facing document is on the website. So that's a privacy statement. Normally it's not a privacy policy. Some people call it a privacy policy. It is a privacy statement, a statement on how you take care of privacy of that individual about whom the privacy statement is. Now let's come to a privacy notice. Privacy notice is in addition to the privacy statement, which is a one-off processing of personal data. For example, there's a big news flash saying there's an anti-money laundering case and blah blah blah, and companies have been asked to provide data about who are their customers, and in that case you publish that data towards government. So you will make a small notice saying, hey, because of this recent incident we have shared or we have processed your data to share with the government in this situation. That is a privacy notice. So once off. Privacy statement is something that is a more stable document that talks about what you do, while privacy notice is a once off document, because then you don't have the time to go and ask customers, but you still do it something outside of what you stated in privacy statement. And then there is the privacy policy. Privacy policy, not every company has it, but of course I would recommend every company has it, is an internal document that you manage within your company. It is for your staff to know what are the requirements of privacy they need to comply. What do they need to do? Why do you need it? Because you do not want your staff to go around searching different laws or even one law and having to make interpretations. For example, GDPR is about 270 plus pages. Do you expect every employee to go and read and understand 270 pages? No way. One, because it's law. Two, not everybody can understand the law. Three, it's written in legal language, so that's another complexity. Four, not all of it is applicable. Five, not all of it will be applied in the way or in the options that are given there. You will make choices, you will make decisions on how you want to do certain things. And that's why you need a privacy policy. Normally a small document, ideally between 10 and 20 pages, saying what are the requirements, how you should comply, and what are the expectations for privacy management in the company. And if you do that, then you generally are compliant with the relevant laws with which your company wants to comply. And it also helps you simplify, harmonize. Like if your company is operating in multiple countries, you don't have to read and interpret all the laws. You make one privacy policy which the whole company complies with. Yes, so that's privacy policy for your staff, not for your employees. Of course you can not for your customers. Of course you can share it, being more transparent, but still these are different documents: privacy statement, privacy notice and privacy policy. Just to summarize, privacy statement for your customers, for them to know about what happens with their data and what data is collected. Notice for one-off processing to inform the customers, and the privacy policy for your staff to know what requirements about privacy are to be complied with. I hope it's clear. If you still have questions, please do not hesitate to contact me.